In this video, I am hopefully going to save you from tearing down your small block Chevy. When you put a fresh engine together, you got to make sure that you prime it. You want to make sure that this thing has oil to air everything up top. And on this engine, it is a used engine. I know it ran good. I know that it had oil pressure. Everything was great. Lots of guys will prime their engines with the valve covers on. My preference is not to, and I'll show you why. So right now I am driving where the distributor was in this because it's a small block Chevy, and I'm going to be seeing oil pressure on the gauge. So I have this, basically it's a shaft out of the distributor cut off, and if we back up, we're going to see oil coming out of this lifter. You can see, or out this rocker. All of these rockers have oil coming out of them. So we want to make sure that we got oil coming out of them all. Look at this side. Now this is common on a small block Chevy especially, and I've heard of other problems or one side isn't getting oil and the other side is, but this one is the case of you can't use just a shaft out of a distributor. That's what this is. All right, I'm going to show you why. So this goes right onto the oil pump drive down in the bottom. This here is the actual distributor that is going in this. It's an HEI. And this is the priming tool. So what's happened is this is just a distributor that's cut up and the gear is just ground right off. And the reason you want to use this is because these actually plug oil galleries down in the bottom. So if you have just this, you're not plugging that oil gallery. So you want to end up making yourself a rig, or you can buy these tools, and this is going to go down and plug right in to that drive. So I have the drill on the new drive and I'm going to start priming, and we got oil coming out right away here. But if you look on this side, now we have oil coming out through. When you prime the engine, you want to make sure that you're turning it over and priming it and make sure that you get oil through everything. I'm making a mess on the floor. I know I have oil coming out everywhere. I can see it. I'm going to pop the valve covers on and finish priming this engine. So I'm not sure what all engines you need to actually have a tool that's going to plug an oil gallery, but if you're priming an engine with valve covers off and you end up with seeing one side, you might need a tool. The other thing is if you go and you prime an engine and you have an actual problem with the engine and you don't know, you can get oil pressure without one side even getting any oil in. You want to make sure that you have that visual inspection. So if you have any more tips, comments, or anything for me and what other engines that we're going to have to use this tool on, please let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.